Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, stay tuned. In these lessons, I will use a strategy that combines with listening, speaking, reading, and writing Chinese characters. If possible, I will use pictures to help you to understand easily and remember tough. Alright, let's have fun now. OK, 这是第37句话，37句话。OK, sentence 不扣的话。And this is our homework from last video. And this is our 成语 OK? 是安善 善 is good, kind. 节节 is understand. 人 is a person or people. is the meaning of something. Its literal explanation is like this. A person who is very understandable. Okay, I made a sentence from this 成语 OK? 她 is she. 是 is. 非是安常非常 means very. 善解人意的善解人意的日安人 is a person or people. Okay, in this case is a person. Okay, 他是非常善解人意的人 Okay, let's go over with our sentence. Okay, 那一你 is you. 指 is only. 须要需要 is want. 说 is speak, talk. 是 is yes or is. 和或 is or. 不是不是 is no. 除此之不挨外除此之外的 is besides. 的 is of. 日恩任和任何 is any. 东西 is things, but in this word is talking about the words. 都 is all. 是 is are or were. That's we only use one word. 是来自 is from. 邪恶的 is evil. Okay? 你只需要说是或不是，除此之外的任何东西都是来自邪恶的。Hey guys, new lessons. Okay, we have a 第38句话，38 OK, 38句话 sentence 和考的话 and we have a 成语 OK. 摸凹毛歌舞鼓四公耸日安然毛骨悚然毛 means hair or hair from your body little okay. 骨 is your bone okay. 毛 is hair, 骨 is your bone, and these two you can find them together what their meanings. Okay guys, let's practice our 成语 okay. 毛骨悚然毛 is our hair. 骨 is our bone. 悚 然 you have to find out these two words what the meaning. Okay, and now let's study our sentence. 那因你莫恩们你们特应听即安见听见一欧有和我阿话是我说一安言 is our eye. 和我安还一安言以眼还眼一阿牙 is our teeth. 和我安还一阿牙以牙还牙 OK. 你们听见有话说以眼还眼以牙还牙 Okay, we are going to write this Chinese, okay? 你们听见有 说以眼 以眼还眼。Remember, 眼 is our eye. 以牙还牙。This word has another meaning. It's called 还, but in this case it's 还. I don't want to, I didn't mention it because I don't want to make you confused, okay? 牙 Okay guys, we have a 家庭作业 okay? 家庭作业 is homework, okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word only if I'm on the line, okay? You can check them together. And this one you can check together because they're best friend. Write 2 times, read 30 times, okay? If you want to speak, 就像我 watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. I have 2, okay? First one is called 还珠格格. Second one is called 神雕侠侣. Both are fun, very fun, okay? And both are maintain a lot of 成语. 成语 really is a treasure for you because we speak 成语 all the time. I hope you guys have fun with your homework. And give me thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos, alright? I will see you next Friday.